Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, all that good stuff. Today I'm going to be working with UNice. Y'all know this company has been around since I have been doing YouTube, so I'm happy to be working with them. Of course, y'all know I'm a stickler for packaging, so UNice, y'all got to come a little bit harder because my box was a little crushed, okay? But I love the color, and then of course, I actually like that they kind of put the wig in like this beauty supply store type of like wig packaging. I did like that. And then of course, you know, they always give a ton of goodies, and I was so appreciative of the paddle brush because it was a really good one. So I'm not sure if it's like heat resistant or not, but I think it'll be a really good detangler. And then of course the unit that I'm going to be trying today is their vpart, and this is in the length 14 inches. So of course all the details will be listed down in my description box below. But the thing that I love about the vparts is, of course, UNice always make sure that their caps are adjustable, and then they also add in this adjustable elastic band as well, just to keep everything really tight. But y'all know with the vparts, usually there's like this lace there, and so of course you get the chance to kind of just deepen that part even more. So instead of using my measuring tape, I actually just use my fingers to be able to know exactly how much hair I needed to leave out. And then of course my hair is pretty much washed. It's been maybe 3 or 4 days now. I'm not really sure. But yeah, so it's pretty much been washed, blow dried, and all that stuff. Y'all, I need a trim. Not even a trim at this point. It's a cut. I have not gotten my hair treated and trimmed since September. So shame on me, y'all. I've just been like on the go, so I will be doing that tomorrow. But anywho, you guys can see I'm just sectioning out my hair. I started off by deciding where I wanted the part, and then I usually measure, of course, with the finger, and then of course I just pretty much measure about 1 inch on each side, and then of course just tie that up, tuck it away. And then instead of doing these real like intricate cornrows, I decided to keep it beginner friendly. Y'all know, I know that's why y'all are here, okay? So I went ahead and just pretty much did a little cornrow going to the back. I did leave out a little bit of the edge in the front. It's not necessarily something you have to do. If you wanted to just pull all your hair back and only have that middle piece out, I actually recommend that, because y'all see my hair. Listen, we need a trim, baby. Okay, we got some things to talk about, but nevertheless, you guys can see this is pretty much what it is I have now. And then all that I'm going to do from here is pretty much crisscross the braids just to keep everything nice, nip and tucked. And then I'm just going to use a bobby pin to secure everything, and then I literally just tuck the ends. Boom, that quick, okay? No edge control, none of that extra stuff needed at this point. All that I'm literally gonna do is tie up my leave out, and then of course apply the wig. So they made it super easy, you guys. They've already pre-trimmed this, and of course there are a ton of clips on this bad boy. Y'all, I sound like my mom, okay? Anyway, yeah, so you guys know there are a ton of combs. I went ahead and just pretty much tucked everything in, and I really like that the combs on this I guess the V-part area are more like clip-in, so they fit really snug. If you wanted to do like a anchor braid, you totally could. I actually recommend that, especially if you aren't going to be taking it on and off. But I needed my cap a little bit tighter, so you guys will see Trey kind of pop in on the video to help me out with that, because I did not feel like taking it off, putting it back on. Like, yeah, that was a lot. So anyway, I did go ahead and pretty much secure everything, and then I just wanted to kind of analyze it. I didn't do anything too crazy. I did go ahead and kind of heat up the flat iron just to get rid of some areas that were just like kind of flat, obviously from the packaging and shipping and all that stuff. And this is the heat protectant that I use. It's a really great sealant. If you are somebody that struggles with like, not even really struggles, you just have textured hair and maybe sometimes your hair is a little bit more dry and you really want to lock in the moisture, I would highly recommend using that before blow drying while your hair is damp. And then, you know, it pretty much just seals everything in. It acts as a heat protectant, and it gives your hair a lot of shine. So you guys can see it's not weighing my hair down, but it allowed me to just smoothly go throughout my hair in one pass and get everything to pretty much blend, because y'all know, okay, my hair is kinky, which I love, and sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to blend in with the silkier texture. So if that doesn't work for you, you always have the option of just taking a track or two. If you do have a clip-in from maybe another set of hair you previously had or whatever, you can always just part your hair in between where your leave out is and clip that there. It'll help with the blending. So that's like a pro tip. If you guys want to see me do that in a video, let me know. I can show you how to actually just make a clip-in. I don't recommend maybe gluing it in or anything. We want to keep this as light as possible. The only thing I will say is I always feel the same way about the V parts and the U parts. Sometimes the caps are not as small as I need them to be. They tend to be average. So if you have an average size head, which in my mind, I think I do, but then I realized I like the really, really snug fitted caps so that I can do the leave out. If you aren't somebody that wants to do the leave out around the perimeter, I highly recommend getting you an average size cap. But if you're somebody like me, go ahead and just get the small so that you can, have a little bit more flexibility. And then I did decide that I wanted to go ahead and just add a little bump to it. Y'all, I did not do uniform curls. When I tell you I just tossed curls in this, I just wanted to see what it would do, how it would hold a curl, what it would kind of look like with having a little bit more shape, especially because it was so short, which I liked it because it was really, really natural looking. And this is kind of the vibe these days, right? So I'm curious to know what you guys think about this. I know that you guys usually love when I do the V-part unit, so I wanted to bring you one for the girls that don't want to wear the super long hair. You don't really want to have to do much to it. I didn't even add layers, and y'all know a hairstyle is never complete unless it has a cut, a trim, some type of shape to it. But I wanted to really just, leave the hair in its original integrity and let you guys be the judge. You can even pin it up if you need to, get it off your neck, all that good stuff. You can literally take this off and don't have to think about, well, how am I going to tie this up? Y'all literally unclip it, tie your hair back, go ahead and get you a hair scarf, and you are done. So definitely let me know what you guys think about this. I love y'all so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies.